Okay, now we are going to discuss how to draw samples of size 3 without replacement. Draw all possible samples of size 3 without replacement from 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is your population. So, note the three important points: what is the size of the sample, what is procedure, and what is your population. You have size of sample equal to 3, procedure is without replacement, and population is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, population elements, there are 5 elements of the population, so capital N is equal to 5. Small n is the sample size, which is equal to 3, and the procedure for this is without replacement, as I have mentioned before that without replacement procedure में रेपिटेशन नहीं होती और बैकवर्ड भी आपने जो बैकवर्ड एलिमेंट्स हैं उन्हें भी सेलेक्ट नहीं करना होता. ओके, नाउ बिफोर स्टार्टिंग टू ड्रॉ sample of size 3, we have to make sample of size 2 in our rough work for our help. So in this case, what we will do, we will make samples of size 2. But before making sample of size 2, let us check what is the total number of possible samples. Total possible samples can be found by the formula capital N C. C stands for the combination rule. This function is available on calculators. NC small n, where capital N here is equal to 5 and C is equal to 3. You will get your answer via calculator, that is equal to 10. It means that you can make 10 samples of size 3 without replacement from the given population. Now, first of all, I am making the sample of size 2. The first sample, possible sample without replacement is 4, 5. As I had told you before that 4 cannot come with itself, it has to be assigned to the element next to it. Now 4, 5, then 4, 6, 4, 7, 4, 8. Okay, now 4 is thrown out of the population. Now you will take 5. 5, 6, 5, 7, 5, 8. Now we will take 6, 6, 7, and 6, 8. Now after 6 we will take 7. 7 will be assigned with only 7 and 8. And then finally, now okay, 7, 8 is the last sample because I'm writing it over here instead of there. The 7, 8 is your last sample because 8 cannot be assigned to any unit because it is a last unit. So what I have done, I have made samples of size 2 first to help me in finding the samples of size 3. Now I'm writing the serial number. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to select the first sample, that is 4, 5. 2 का हमने sample select कर लिया. 4, 5 cannot be assigned to 4, 5 itself. It will be assigned to 6. 4, 5 with 6, 4, 5 with 7, and 4, 5 with 8. Okay, देन 4, 5 का काम कंप्लीट हो गया. कट इट, थ्रो इट आउट. नाउ 4, 6. 4 एंड 6. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर कि जब आपने ये सैम्पल्स बनाने हैं तो अपने बैकवर्ड एलिमेंट्स को कंसिडर नहीं करना. 4 एंड 6, 4 एंड 6 आर ड्रॉन, सो 5 इज़ नॉट देयर. इट इज़ already thrown out of your population, so you will not select 5 now. You will assign 4, 6 with 7 एंड 4, 6 विद 8. ये याद रखना है कि हमने बैकवर्ड मूव नहीं करना. दिस इज़ लाइक अ कार विच हैज़ नो बैकवर्ड गियर, जस्ट असाइन टू द नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट. 4, 6 हमने लिया, उसे हमने नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट के साथ किया. ओके, नाउ वी हैव discarded the element 4, 6. Then 4, 6 can come with 7 and 8, and then 4, 7. 4, 7 can only be assigned with 8 बिकॉज उसके आगे कोई एलिमेंट नहीं है. 4 and 7 is assigned to 8. Now 4 7 is discarded, and then 4 8 is not possible because there is no element after 8. This is already impossible, so we have to cancel it. Okay, now we will take 5 6. 5 6 is assigned with 7. 5 6 is assigned with 8. Okay, 5 6 भी अब discard हो गया. Now take 5 7. 5 7 is assigned with 8. Now 5 7 उससे आगे किसी से assign नहीं हो सकता. 5 8 will be automatically discarded because it is not possible. There is no element beyond 8. Then 6 7. 6 7 will be assigned with 8. Then 6 8 is already discarded because no element after 8, and 7 8 is already discarded. So in this way you can have your 10 samples of size 3 drawn without replacement from the given population. Always remember that that you will select the element आफ्टर दैट यू जो आपके बैकवर्ड्स एलिमेंट हैं उन्हें आपने स्किप करते जाना है, और आपकी गाड़ी में बैक गियर नहीं है. यू कैन नॉट return to the elements. You have to assign the next elements to your samples.